Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a futuristic aura bling kind of set. I don't really know what to call it yet, but those are all the elements that are going to be involved in this set. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So first things first, we're going to buff out all the nails. I'm using these nail tips that I get from Amazon. They're the long coffin shape. I like these ones a lot because they already kind of come pre-shaped, so you don't have to do a whole lot of shaping. However, I do like to just file out the tops to make them extra crisp and sharp.
I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't start up till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
Of course, we are then going to go in with our base coat. I'm going to use my base coat that I get from Beetles. I love Beetles so much. I don't have an affiliate link for them, but I do have affiliate links for Modalones. I do have one for Savvyland and for McCart. So if you guys want to save some money and also support me, you guys can check out those links that are linked down in my description. Then I'm going to go in with 2 coats of the black gel polish. So you already know what time it is. I'm whipping out the airbrush yet again. I've used it for like my past 2 videos, so this is the 3rd one. I'll be showing you guys how I use it. I'm going to fill it up with some 100% acetone and then a couple of drops of my polish of choice, which is this nice bright blue. Once I cap my reservoir, I'm going to go ahead and just make little aura type shapes. Really, it's not too hard. You just have to really focus on getting the shape, the airbrush to hit the middle of the nail and then kind of work your way out. I kind of do make kind of like a cross type of shape, so kind of going up and down and then side to side to kind of get all of those areas covered. So it takes a little bit of practice, but as long as you're pleased with your design, then that's really all that matters. Next, I'm going in with my liquid chrome polish. It's more like a paint, but I'm going in with that and then a liner brush and just making these futuristic line shapes. There's no rhyme or rhythm to this design at all. That's kind of the fun part of this futuristic trend that's going on. You kind of just make shapes that are abstract, but still have this kind of like Y2K futuristic vibe. This is how I'm doing it. I kind of just do the lines going in a similar direction and then connect them and then fill in whatever is blank. Again, you can just have fun with this kind of design, make whatever shapes you want. Sometimes it takes a little bit of practice, but the less you think about it, the easier it'll come to you.
Toys, keep it coming in my rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't start up till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss a fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do.
Once I like how all of my designs look on each nail, I'm going to go in with my top coat, also from Beetles, and just top coat every single one of my nails.
Till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense, living in the middle.
I'm then going to go in with my nail glue from Macart. Again, I have that link down below, so if you want to shop with Macart, you can get some money off and also support me. I'm going to go in with that and then add a couple little rhinestones to the design to make it really pop. I love how this turned out, and I think it's super cute this way.
I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die.
So this is the final result of my nails. It turned out super cute. This set is up for sale. You guys can shop it with the link down below in my description. Be sure you guys are liking this video, commenting, and subscribing to my channel to join the crew. But that's all I've got today, so I'll see you next time. Bye!